Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Composer, the must-have tool for managing dependencies in PHP projects. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first project or a seasoned developer, this step-by-step guide will make the process super simple. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in. To install Composer, go to getcomposer.org, click on the Download tab, and run the downloaded.exe file to start the installation. When installing Composer, the choice between Install for Me Only and Install for All Users depends on your specific requirements. Install for Me Only. Select this if you're the only user on the system who needs Composer. This will configure Composer for your user account only, and its binaries will typically be added to a folder in your user's home directory. Install for all users. Choose this if multiple user accounts on the system will use Composer. This requires administrator privileges and installs Composer globally for all users, placing the binaries in a system-wide accessible path. Leave developer mode unchecked unless you're specifically working on or debugging Composer's source code. Choose PHP version and click Next. Do not select developer mode unless you specifically need it for debugging Composer itself. For regular use, it's unnecessary. Keep it unchecked for a smooth installation. Click Finish. Now verify installation. Run the command Composer. Version in your terminal or command prompt to confirm it's installed. That's it! Composer is now installed and ready to use on your system. You can start managing your PHP dependencies effortlessly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.